If your newly created Etsy account is suspended for no apparent reason, don't worry. Today in this video, I will show you how to recover your new Etsy suspended account in simple steps. So make sure to watch the entire video to understand the entire process. So let's get started. This notification will appear at the bottom of your account shortly after you create it, but don't worry. You can easily recover your account and solve the problem. Choose Community and Help first, then Contact Us. It will now show you two options: buying on Etsy and selling on Etsy. You should choose Selling on Etsy. After this, a number of options will appear on your screen. However, you must select the option Appeal a Suspension Account, and then click here to file an appeal. You will now be asked to send an email, as this is the only way to regain access to your account, so click on Email Us. This form will now appear in front of you. Fill it out. Type the subject first. After that, write the description. There is no need to write more than this much. Finally, enter your email address here. If you want, you can also attach the screenshot before sending. Your request has been submitted. You will also receive an auto-generated email from Etsy on your email address. This procedure will take 5 to 6 business days, after which your account will be restored. I hope you found this tutorial on how to recover your new Etsy suspended account useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.